playing around them.
Himalayan salt. There'll be some chicken going in here before long. Herbs of Provence. Ooh, so don't all blow away in the wind. I like herbs of Provence. There we go. A little bit more Himalayan salt. Touch. There you go. 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. Followed by a tin of water. And I'm pretty sure it is rosemary, but you know when you have one of those brain farts? Is that rosemary? I think it is. Anyway, it's going in. It smells beautiful. That's that. A bit of a mix. A sprinkling of black pepper. Be generous with that one. A teaspoon of mustard, which brings flavours the meat out. It does work actually. Okay. A generous amount of pearl barley. Carrots. And parsnips. And another chicken. It's actually a beef stew we're making, if I forgot to tell you. Yeah, I'm making a beef stew in the woods, if you hadn't guessed. We're going to make some nice herby dumplings. So the herbs are going to be herbs of Provence, thyme, and anything else I can find to put in them. Spuds. So I'm going to let that simmer now for at least an hour. Get the meat tender, and then we're now going to start doing the dumplings. I'll show you that now. And Mr. Swede, I like a bit of Swede. Mind your fingers on this. You slip, your fingers go bye-bye. Pop in an OXO cube and a chicken and a good handful of roughly chopped mushrooms and one on the floor, which we won't use. I lied. Take a look at that. That's the last you're going to see of it for a while. Lid on, leave it now. Okay, so this is my dumpling mix, which consists of just over 2 ounces of self-raising flour, just over 1 ounce of suet pudding, and then what's left is herbs and spices. Herbs Provence, and then if you can see these little ones here, see them? Thyme, out the garden, and that is really strong, it's beautiful. So I'm going to get a twig from over there in a sec, and just give them a stir with some warm water. Just make a nice little stirring device. So it's clean. That'll do. Woohoo! Look at those colours. Beautiful. Just pop in a little bit of, not too much, because I haven't bought any extra flour. Mix that in. Keep it nice and fluffy. You gotta have it fluffy. If you don't have it fluffy, and you make it all hard and heavy, and then they won't swell. Touch more. Okay, that looks about, that's the right consistency, so I bought a little bit of extra flour, so I can now do it by hand.
You've got some herbs.
I've got them all in, herbs Provence and thyme. They're quite content. Perfect, look at that. See that? I've got this mastered now.
Haven't made any bread lately, have we?
No. Oh, look, a piece of suet got away. Not in my books. Right, let them sit for a bit, and I'll be going in the next 10 minutes with a bit of luck. You can't tell me that that doesn't look appetizing. Right, so we're going to put these in now. I'll make a bit of room for them so they sink down nicely. And hopefully they should swell to usually about half the size again, or if it would be really good, double the size, triple, quadruple the size. Get them down, get down, get down. Submerge them. That's the way. Go on, get down, get down. There we go. Right, I'll pull them apart a bit. Oops. Right, let's see what happens in 20 minutes. Let's take a quick peek. Ooh, they're growing. Right, another 10 minutes. Did you see that properly? Look at that. Did you see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's go for the reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if these have really swelled up. And they have. Oh, look at that, Janie. You like meat, don't you? You don't want too many spuds either, do you? Look at that. They're good chunks. Spuds. Got some
Not
more.
too much.
How much do you want? This is yours.
It's meat.
You want more meat?
Just lots of meat.
Loads of meat. I'm going to have to get a new Dutch oven. It leaks, this one. Shh. You want some more meat, or you alright with that?
I'm okay with that. Brilliant. I don't know if it was recording or not. I don't know.
It's okay, it's in the dark. There we go. Right, let's see what this tastes like then. Give it a go. Oh, meat's alright, isn't it? Yeah. Right, I'm going to try some dumpling. What's your, have you tried yours yet? It's spongy inside, which is supposed to be like. If I can see that. Can you see that? That's spongy. Wait till you try that. That is the best. Brilliant. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't watch the video, then don't bother giving it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video and you want to give it a thumbs down, make sure you press it twice. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.